In this video today, I am going to show you how to place an order using our Team Creator bulk services. If you click on Team Creator Service after you log in, you will see Team Creator Bulk here. The difference between Team Creator and Team Creator Bulk. Bulk is for ordering more than one team. Team Creator is for ordering one team only. So let's go to Team Creator Bulk. What you're going to do is you're going to total the number of players on all teams. So I am going to say I have 5 teams. Each team for me had 15 players on it. So there's 75 total number of players. My order name. Okay. We need to know if you shot on the same focal plane. Same photo setup for each player, same camera location, height, focal point, location of player. If yes, no additional cost. If not, it is 25 cents additional per person. And that is for us to have to use for scaling. Extraction background. You have different extraction services you can use within Team Creator Bulk. If you're shooting on basically any solid or environmental background, you can choose our premium extraction service if you're printing larger than 11 by 14, or our standard extraction service if you're printing smaller than 11 by 14. And you will see you have a full length pricing and a 3/4 pricing. You will see this is also available if you're using a Elastilite highlight. Premium, standard, full, 3/4. Green, blue screen, standard, full, 3/4. Now, all green screen softwares do resize images. That's why we put this to standard, but you can use them larger than 11 by 14. Or already extracted. And this is just a simple cost of 35 cents for placement per person because they're already extracted. Now, if you're not sure what Elastilite is or green blue screen, you can click on this camera icon and it will pull up basically the options that we have provided. For this video, I am selecting any background. And I am not printing any larger than 11 by 14, so I am going standard at full length at 85 cents. Do I need drop shadows on my team? Drop shadows are great to help secure or plant your team into the background to make it more realistic. It is $2.50 per team, and I am going to say yes. I highly recommend drop shadows for any backgrounds that have turf, dirt, grass, asphalt. We do also have reflections. I recommend reflections for any glossy finish backgrounds or floors such as wood or ice. We do have directional shadows as well, and you can click here to see examples of those. Or you can do a combination of drop shadow and reflection at $4.50 per team. So here we ask team background. Are you providing us a background for the teams? Typically, Team Creator in the standard, we're going to provide these back to you on a transparent background. But if you want to have us put it on your team background, you select yes. Okay. Your team background output can be a solid black background, a solid gray, solid white, or your background. This is where we will, for $1 per team, put your team on your background. Our team background orientation, we're going to say is horizontal. And our team background output format, we can do a JPEG, a PSD flat, and a TIFF flat. We can do a PSD and TIFF layered with every player on its own separate layer. It is $5 additional per team. The reason for this cost, these are very large files that require a lot of bandwidth on our end to upload. And that's why you're paying an additional cost. I am going to just go with JPEG. You can color correct the files, exposure or color adjustment, 15 cents per file. If you need any retouching, you can use our Reservice or our Your Retouch service here. Send an online proof. This should always stay at yes, because you're going to want to see each team. And we will send you back the individual extractions of each player at no charge if you would like them. You will then provide us the background output. And we can put those individuals on their own background at 75 cents per individual. So you can get your individual and your teams all completed here with their backgrounds. And you will pick your output format for those. We're just saying transparent PNG. Any special instructions you will add in here. You will then add this to cart, check out, and pay. Once you have paid, you must use a link to all of your images. So each team must be placed in its own folder and named that team name, and then put either in a WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or some other link that we can access to your folder of images. And that is underneath our uploader. You will copy and paste your link in there and hit submit. You will get a message that says submitted successfully. Again, if you have 10 teams, for example, we should be getting 10 folders with all of the individuals that go on that team in those folders and each team named the folder. If you're providing us a background, that can be in its own folder as well. And that is how you place a Team Creator bulk order.